Hi, this is Jake Rose at Disability Insurance Services. Today I'm here talking with our own licensed agent, Nicole Hammond. Hi, Nicole.
Hi, Jake.
Nicole has experience closing long-term care insurance cases, and she's here today to give agents and brokers some tools to talk with their customers about long-term care insurance. So, one of the reasons people have trouble selling long-term care insurance, or maybe they don't even want to bring it up, is that it's expensive. Another reason, customers think they don't have a need for it. So, what do you do?
Well, both concerns are important, but as agents, we know that it makes good sense to buy long-term care insurance because we have the data to prove it. If agents and brokers know what the data is and they understand it, they know why it matters, they're going to be able to help their customers connect the dots, and that's really all it takes.
Okay, so let's act this out. I'll be the customer, you be the agent.
Okay. So Jake, have you thought about buying long-term care insurance?
I just don't think it makes sense. I'm healthy. I don't even know if I'm going to need it. I'm just kind of hoping I can just,
Oh yeah, me too. Tough odds though. 7 out of 10 people over age 65 end up needing long-term care. I know I'd like to be one of the 3 people who didn't, but I don't want to risk everything on that bet.
Yeah, but it's so expensive.
You're right. Up front it is. But if you pay out of pocket, you're going to end up spending twice as much later. Twice as much. I mean, think about it. When else in your life would you choose to pay twice as much for something? Even just paying $8 for a $4 latte. That's ridiculous.
Okay. But I've already got health insurance. Long-term care seems redundant.
Right. I guess that's a common misconception. Health insurance doesn't actually cover long-term care. Health is for medical bills, procedures, medications, doctor's visits. Long-term care covers the everyday stuff, like having someone on site to help out with bathing and cooking, or being able to make sure you live in the kind of facility that you want to live in. Long-term care is about the quality of life. It's about having options.
Okay, so what's the average price tag? How much are we talking?
For every dollar a customer invests, $2.78 are paid out for them. That's almost a triple return on investment. Better than the stock market. America's health insurance plans did a satisfaction study of long-term care claimants, and the vast majority, about 93%, said that yes, their policy gave them the coverage they needed. 3 out of every 4 said that they would have gotten less care if they didn't have this insurance. And 64% said that without it, they'd be relying on family and friends. And that's the thing, nobody wants to be a burden.
So at the end of the day, buying LTCI is about protecting your loved ones.
Absolutely, and it means you can stay financially independent for longer. You can get higher quality care for a better quality of life. Again, this is a good investment with really strong payoff, both financial and personal.
Something agents and brokers should definitely be bringing up.
Oh, for sure.
All right, well, we hope this gives you a few tools to handle the most common sticking points for LTCI, and we hope you feel inspired to bring it to your customers' attention this week. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch. Thanks, Nicole.
Thanks for having me.
We'll see you again soon.